So what you can also let ChatGPT do is let it give you links. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go around and ask it for links regarding certain pages. In ChatGPT 3.5, that is the free version, this option is limited. But in ChatGPT 4, it'll give you other links as well. But over here in the free version, you can still ask it links to, let's say, for example, websites like Wikipedia. So I'm going to do exactly that. So I'm going to go around and say, give me a link to the web page. Give me a link to information about Windows 98 in Wikipedia right here, just like this, and press enter. So once I do that, what happens is that it gives you the link, as you can see right here, and as I click, it takes you to the Windows 98 page. So now I'm going to go around and say, now give me the link to information about AI in Wikipedia right here, just like this. So once I go around and press enter, you can see that now it gives you the link to the Wikipedia page on artificial intelligence, and this is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you can use ChatGPT just like a search engine and find out links to different pages, just like this. And in case of ChatGPT 4, that is the paid version, you get more access to the internet, and you can use it as a search engine as well to provide you with certain informations. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.